Everyone's always asking me, like, what delta are you trading on those flies, Ernie? Now, it was built by smart people for a very specific job, and it does that job for the most part. The problem is that the job is not 0 DTE, and it's not necessarily what you would be looking for to become a long-term, consistently profitable trader. I know. You're probably thinking, everyone teaches me that way, so it must be the right way, right? The thing is that they're solving for the wrong problem. Anyways, I say this a lot. High win rate strategies are solving for the wrong problem. They're solving for win rate. And picking strategies based on delta, that's exactly what you're doing. You're solving for win rate. And that's the wrong thing. And why is that? And the reason is that it is essentially guaranteeing. So I'm just going to go right to what's wrong. It's guaranteeing that you will have a left skewed distribution of returns. I know. What the hell does that mean? That means that you will never compound and you will never get the big wins. And the volatility of your returns are going to be big. So that means that your returns are going to be doing this all over the place. Sometimes you'll have good streaks and then bam, you'll have a big loser that will set you back. That's what solving for win rate does to your strategy, to your performance. It's not you. It's not because you couldn't control your emotions or your risk management was a little poor or whatever. It's because you were just playing the wrong game. The game that the world has told you to play. And the reason why in the options trading and the stock trading world is the world that the brokers have contrived for us. And they've created virtually all the strategies, all the technology, all of the basic things that you do for a very simple reason. And that is to make you the best possible customer for the broker. And solving for win rate does exactly that. Now, where am I getting this? How do I know this? I know this because I've been in this business right from the very beginning. I worked for all the biggest brokers. I helped them develop their systems to put it on the internet. In fact, I was the lead person doing that. And that's not maybe hyperbole or some kind of fancy story. No, I was literally the person that was building the biggest systems in the world, putting them on the internet, making sure they worked, and making sure you had a brokerage to work for. So I worked directly with the brokers at a C-level, helping them realize their business. That's what I did for a living for a long time. So I am no stranger to what this is all about. The broker is not trying to give you information that will make you successful. They don't give a damn if you're successful at all. Not one little bit. They don't care if you lose. They don't care if you win. They don't care if you bust your account. All they care about is one thing, and that is that you push buttons. Because every time you push a button, you're making them rich. That's what it comes down to. And high win rate is the perfect strategy for them. Not for you. And every single internet dog out here that's telling you about their high win rate strategy, every single one of them is a pawn. They are what we would call useful idiots that have been brainwashed into this way of trading for the past 30 years. And it's an easy sell because the broker, they can sell high win rate because it sounds intuitive.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable 0 DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care, guys.